Compared to this, oh, let's get this chair set up. So I've just noticed as well, but when you pull the legs down, it goes up and locks it. That is nice. Like that. Oh, that is nice. Look at the size of that. So there is a headrest. Oh, I like that. Oh. Oh, that is comfy. First up, the Major Pro is, feels like the material is kind of hugging you. I feel like a baby getting swaddled. I was almost falling asleep in it. Another pro, the build quality. The build quality of this chair is just second to none, from the aluminium frame to the wide grippy feet, from the stitching. There's no way I'm worrying about this stitching ripping or going anytime soon. Another pro for me is you can take this cover off and wash it, which leads me on to the next one, and that is the nylon backing on it. So if you can see in the back, it's nylon and breathable. Another pro for me is the headrest. It's so nice and it was putting me to sleep. So that's the Mount River high back chair. Phenomenal piece of kit.